Across the Commonwealth are feeling the effects of Helene.
They are organizers of big events, including the State Fair of Virginia and the Richmond Folk Festival, have had to make adjustments for this opening weekend. 8 News reporter Alexis Bellamy checked out both these events tonight. She's joining us live in our digital center with the plans moving forward about safety. Alexis.
Well, Heather, it was a soggy night as both the State Fair and the Folk Festival kicked off tonight. Not only are leaders having to take the weather into account, visitor safety is also top of mind this weekend.
We have a full presence of Virginia State Police on property throughout the run of the fair, in our parking lots, at our gates, and throughout the grounds.
Fair Executive Director Marlene Jolliffe says that when it comes to keeping visitors safe at the State Fair of Virginia, they run a tight ship.
We know what's going on around us, but right now we feel good about the practices we have in place, and the State Fair has had a really good track record here at Doswell.
She says that safety is always a concern. However, in her 35 years of being at the helm of the annual event, weather issues have been far more frequent.
Our issues have really been weather-driven, more than safety and security. In the last couple of years, we've had a hurricane, tropical storm, so we've had to actually shut down at times. So a day like today is minor compared to those.
Also happening on Friday was the Richmond Folk Festival, where the soggy weather didn't stop the music from flowing. There, event goers were also prepared for any leftover rain or wind from Helene. Sheila Ketchum and her family say they heard about the recent fights at King's Dominion and the other acts of violence at surrounding past events.
If we saw something, then we might, take action and leave, but not something that would stop us from going.
The Ketchums have been coming to the State Fair of Virginia every year as a tradition.
But after all these years, this is the first time it's rained on us.
First time for everything. The last day of the Richmond Folk Festival is this Sunday. That's September 29th. The State Fair of Virginia will be up and running until October 6th. Now, the rain didn't prevent these events from starting, but it did delay kickoff for a number of football games in our area. 8 News sports reporter Nolan Knight will have more on that, on when you can expect to see your favorite teams back on the field. For now, reporting live in the Digital Center tonight, Alexis Bellamy, 8 News.